Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
You should stop smoking.
You should stop smoking.
The condition looks favorable.
The condition looks favorable.
Tom flew to Boston.
Tom flew to Boston.
I really like Tom.
I really like Tom.
We receive and share.
We receive and share.
Where's the nearest hospital?
Where's the nearest hospital?
Consideration is very necessary.
Consideration is very necessary.
Your boots are ruined.
Your boots are ruined.
Time is so beautiful.
Time is so beautiful.
I have high cholesterol.
I have high cholesterol.
What's your favorite pastime?
What's your favorite pastime?
Tom is still abroad.
Tom is still abroad.
Let go of me.
Let go of me.
He grabbed my arm.
He grabbed my arm.
I hate his hat.
I hate his hat.
Don't hold back anything.
Don't hold back anything.
Summer has just begun.
Summer has just begun.
Tom doesn't eat fish.
Tom doesn't eat fish.
You goofed, didn't you?
You goofed, didn't you?
Does he like China?
Does he like China?
Things got really weird.
Things got really weird.
It was very disturbing.
It was very disturbing.
This project is shovel-ready.
This project is shovel-ready.
This car must go.
This car must go.
You wouldn't do that.
You wouldn't do that.
Tom is a gourmand.
Tom is a gourmand.
See you next class.
See you next class.
Tom is stark naked.
Tom is stark naked.
First impressions are important.
First impressions are important.
Waiter, 3 coffees, please.
Waiter, 3 coffees, please.
It was an ambush.
It was an ambush.
He runs very fast.
He runs very fast.
You're Germans, aren't you?
You're Germans, aren't you?
Tom looks very confused.
Tom looks very confused.
She is my friend.
She is my friend.
I have no patience.
I have no patience.
I have kidney trouble.
I have kidney trouble.
Tom watched Mary dance.
Tom watched Mary dance.
She has many dogs.
She has many dogs.
I imagine that'll change.
I imagine that'll change.
You may go there.
You may go there.
The troops marched past.
The troops marched past.
He declined their invitation.
He declined their invitation.
Don't take it personally.
Don't take it personally.
You are to blame.
You are to blame.
I just need time.
I just need time.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I love coming here.
I love coming here.
Let's talk to her.
Let's talk to her.
The girl appeared sick.
The girl appeared sick.
Everybody seemed pretty calm.
Everybody seemed pretty calm.
This is the plan.
This is the plan.
They've all gone crazy.
They've all gone crazy.
He slowly moved forward.
He slowly moved forward.
I don't like science.
I don't like science.
Naples gathers many tourists.
Naples gathers many tourists.
Have you eaten dinner?
Have you eaten dinner?
Do you like chocolate?
Do you like chocolate?
I do like fish.
I do like fish.
Do whatever you can.
Do whatever you can.
He shouts a lot.
He shouts a lot.
I'm in command now.
I'm in command now.
Clean up your room.
Clean up your room.
His hobby is painting.
His hobby is painting.
We have jurisdiction here.
We have jurisdiction here.
It's almost midnight here.
It's almost midnight here.
Love knows no limits.
Love knows no limits.
He deserves the prize.
He deserves the prize.
Mike always remains calm.
Mike always remains calm.
Tom declined my invitation.
Tom declined my invitation.
These are very fragile.
These are very fragile.
We got here first.
We got here first.
Mary is eating fondue.
Mary is eating fondue.
I'd advise doing that.
I'd advise doing that.
His actions damned him.
His actions damned him.
Eat whatever you want.
Eat whatever you want.
What is the time?
What is the time?
I'll choose duck today.
I'll choose duck today.
Tom seems surprisingly calm.
Tom seems surprisingly calm.
Did anybody see you?
Did anybody see you?
We're letting you go.
We're letting you go.
They forgot my birthday.
They forgot my birthday.
Tom has nice skin.
Tom has nice skin.
Have you had breakfast?
Have you had breakfast?
Do you want him?
Do you want him?
Tom didn't drink much.
Tom didn't drink much.
I don't like pork.
I don't like pork.
She accepted our invitation.
She accepted our invitation.
She looks very lovely.
She looks very lovely.
The announcer spoke English.
The announcer spoke English.
I can still fight.
I can still fight.
Tom might be wrong.
Tom might be wrong.
Tomorrow's a new day.
Tomorrow's a new day.
Tom is being reasonable.
Tom is being reasonable.
Google is my teacher.
Google is my teacher.
Much work, little money.
Much work, little money.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. He pushed past me.
He pushed past me.
Please open the door.
Please open the door.
A prisoner has escaped.
A prisoner has escaped.
Darkness favors secret dealings.
Darkness favors secret dealings.
He went 10 kilometers.
He went 10 kilometers.
Tom waits for Mary.
Tom waits for Mary.
Is it your car?
Is it your car?
We cleaned the house.
We cleaned the house.
I hate strong-minded women.
I hate strong-minded women.
The subject is different.
The subject is different.
Normally, it takes years.
Normally, it takes years.
Do you speak Filipino?
Do you speak Filipino?
The rules are simple.
The rules are simple.
Just take it easy.
Just take it easy.
I come from China.
I come from China.
He's a world-class scientist.
He's a world-class scientist.
When will we arrive?
When will we arrive?
Should we get her?
Should we get her?
Today's your lucky day.
Today's your lucky day.
Tom's a fine-looking boy.
Tom's a fine-looking boy.
The article is terrible.
The article is terrible.
Smile at me, please.
Smile at me, please.
I'm feeling very shaky.
I'm feeling very shaky.
The scores are standardized.
The scores are standardized.
Everything happens so fast.
Everything happened so fast.
But it smells strange.
But it smells strange.
Is there any zakuska?
Is there any zakuska?
Oh, just my luck.
Oh, just my luck.
Don't lean on door.
Don't lean on door.
What did we get?
What did we get?
Tom loves his parents.
Tom loves his parents.
Never borrow a car.
Never borrow a car.
Tom has done well.
Tom has done well.
Keep your hair on.
Keep your hair on.
I think I'm lost.
I think I'm lost.
Tom doesn't eat properly.
Tom doesn't eat properly.
You have a mail.
You have a mail.
We were both thirsty.
We were both thirsty.
He guaranteed my debt.
He guaranteed my debt.
Tom caught a cold.
Tom caught a cold.
Maybe he's not young.
Maybe he's not young.
Teachers must understand children.
Teachers must understand children.
The heater doesn't work.
The heater doesn't work.
They fought for freedom.
They fought for freedom.
How was the beach?
How was the beach?
Please contact me later.
Please contact me later.
Excuse me a minute.
Excuse me a minute.
She doesn't understand you.
She doesn't understand you.
Raise your left hand.
Raise your left hand.
My answer matches yours.
My answer matches yours.
Life's seed is laid.
Life's seed is laid.
You're a brilliant photographer.
You're a brilliant photographer.